Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up for GoDaddy payments so you can process credit card transactions? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for GoDaddy payments to accept credit cards anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and your website is hosted with GoDaddy Website Builder, you know they offer GoDaddy payments so you can accept credit card payments right through your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoDaddy account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sign up for GoDaddy payments, here on this top bar, you're going to click on commerce. Once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but look for accept payments and click on this link, all payment processing options. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the GoDaddy payments sign up. So you want to click here on get started. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open up the pay, as you can see right here. So now I'm ready to go ahead and create a pay link right here. So what you're going to do is scroll down until you go to quick links and click here, create pay link. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and enter the title. So maybe this might be for YouTube consultation. And then I'm going to put in here 1 hour consultation. You can add an image if you want. I'm not going to do that because this is not actually a product I'm going to sell, but this is one I'm going to be adding into my website, and go ahead and put in the price, $9.99. And then here we're going to go ahead and set up the link. So YouTube consult. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and click create pay link. Next, I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Okay, now I'm going to jump back into my website builder. Okay, so here I am on my website. Now that we've already created our GoDaddy Pay with the website link, I'm going to scroll down to a buy button. So we'll just use this one, for example. Once you click on the button, this menu is going to open on the right. Here on the right side, we can go ahead and edit. So the button says buy now. What happens after they click on it? For me, I want them to go ahead and make a payment. So I'm going to scroll down to action and change that to take payment. And once you click on take payment, you want to go ahead and choose the pay link we just created. So YouTube consultation. Okay, so now when someone's on my website and they get to this point right here, buy now, it's going to direct them to the payment option in GoDaddy Pay so they can pay with their credit card. But you're not quite finished until you click on publish here on the top left. Okay, now it's publishing. Okay, now it's published. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up for the pay so you can set credit card payments directly into your website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. You know an easier way? Be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.